Hey everybody, welcome back to the 509. I recently got a request to make a template for 5-inch gutters. So I'm going to show you how we do that here. And so basically and I'm going to try to make this quick. The last video I made on the 6-inch pattern template ran a little bit long because I made two different kinds of templates. But this one I'm going to just make one. And if you want to learn how to make the other style, you can just go back to the 6-inch video and check out the second half of that one. But on this here, what we're going to do, 5-inch gutter, we're going to go ahead and start off with a 12-inch piece of gutter here. And what we're going to do is we're going to measure, excuse me, we're going to measure in 5 inches and then add 2 inches. And so that'll give us 5 inches here and 5 inches there. So, and then from there, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and trace these lines down, down there, down there, and then from here we're going to do some 45s, from here over. And flip this over and go to this other side. Okay, so where these marks stop, you want to transfer this line over just a touch so you can see it. And then we're going to go ahead and, excuse me, finish this line off from there to the bottom corner here. Let's spin this around here so you can see it better. Like that. So now we'll cut these out real quick. Okay, so one of the next things you want to do is you want to cut off this top edge here because this front lip needs to slide under the lip of the new gutter that you're about to install. So what I do is I draw about an 1/8 inch line down, and then you need to cut a bunch of relief cuts in here, and I'll speed this up for you a little bit. Then you want to go ahead and fold these out flat. And then grab your snips. I like using these big snips, these big Andy snips. They cut a bit faster and straighter, but you can use whatever you got, it'll work. All right. If you want, you can get like some hand seamers or something and maybe just kind of try to flatten this edge out a little bit. And then the last couple of things you got to do first, we always bend a tab right here for convenience, so you can grab it and handle it around a little bit. But this here on this back edge, you need to try to bend it inward, move that corner inward a little bit so it'll fit into the new gutter a little bit easier. So you can get some long nose pliers or some turning tongs like this, turn it in just a little bit, like that. It's a little crooked, but it'll still work. So then now what we're gonna do is try it out. So now you got you a new piece of gutter here. And for an outside strip miter, you're gonna just put this, line this up on the edge there, and then pop the back down, see how it fits. And then you go ahead and get you, let's get a marker just so you can see it better. Get a marker. Mark it like that. And there you go. This line looks crooked on the camera, but it's not. Anyways, so that's for your outside strip miter. If you want an inside strip miter, then you go line up this corner with the front here, with this front corner here. And then the backs line up like that as well. And then you can go ahead and draw this one out like this. There you go. That's your inside strip miter line right here. All right, there you go. If this video helped you out, please drop me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel here. Check out all the other videos. And there's some other sheet metal stuff involved, and gutter stuff involved, and some Bark River knife videos as well. I have a Bark River knife collection, and I like to show those off to everybody as well. But hope this helped you out. And until next time, we'll see you back here at the 509. Y'all take care.